Hey guys, what's up? Super Chicken here, and today I'm jumping off my 30-foot long boat. Dad, take the camera. I'm gonna hold on to this line just in case my life jacket comes off, and I
Oh wait, you got it. No, okay, go ahead.
and forget how to swim.
All right, let's go. Don't let go of that rope.
I am gonna jump in off my 32-foot long boat, as I said.
Here we go.
So we're gonna make sure everything's
There's
safe.
Cleveland in the background,
Everything's safe.
and there's a tanker over there.
Everything's safe and sound. So, just in case, we have our ladder put down on the back of the boat. And, yeah, let's see what happens. I'm really excited to jump in because I'm really hot right now. So,
Here we go.
we're
going to do a countdown.
Subscribe, and remember to smash that like button. But don't punch your computer screen or phone screen.
We'll go count down 3 to 1. 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm letting go of the line.
Alright. You alright?
Yeah, that was awesome.
It's cold.
Woo!
You let go of the line now. Come on.
Yeah, I know. I'm supposed
That's our security valve.
to. Well,
There
now
it is,
that
guys.
I'm safe. I'm gonna wait for about a minute to make sure no fishies come.
There he goes. 1.
So this time,
Do a
since I know
backflip.
it's safe, I'm gonna do a front flip.
Front flip. Alright. Just don't hit your head on the boat.
I won't.
Because I don't want to go in there and get you.
Okay, guys. Give me a countdown from 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Also, don't
5.
forget to subscribe to my cousin Dylan's channel,
4,
Dylan Hazenel.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh,
Whoa! That was awesome!
it's like a fish. We got a big one here. All right, there we go. That's good, John. Good job.
That was fun! Oh, jeez. Poisonous bug. Peace out. Oh. Woo! Oh, that was fun.
You definitely cooled off.
Dad, will you please grab me my noodle?
Oh, yeah.
So, guys, I'm going to be jumping in with a noodle this time. This time, I'm going to wrap this around the noodle. Safety's first, kids. Also, do not try this at home. This is very dangerous. We got speeding boats shooting by. We also
No,
have
we don't.
we have a freighter.
We have a freighter that's going 1 mile per hour, and it's like a mile away when it looks closer.
Still, safety.
Safety first. Wait,
still,
what are you
don't-
doing? You're going to lose that noodle. How you got that attached?
The rope.
It's going to slide off, John. Attach it the other side, too. Tie.
Oh, yeah?
Tie the other side with the end here. Well, no.
I mean, what bad could go wrong?
You want to
guys-
lose our noodle.
If you're watching, your name is Jaden or Dylan. This is for you guys. Anyone named Jaden or Dylan or Rocco or Jacob
Go,
out
baby.
there. Okay, those are the names of my friends. Anyone out there? Just put in the comment below, and I'll try and subscribe to your channel if you have.
Speedboat over there. It's far away, though. All right, John, you ready to go?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go! Wait, I got to get the rope. Here.
How about you tie it on to something?
I'm tying it on to me.
Okay, hold that. And this time, should I try to climb onto the boat?
Yeah, that way we can see if I would need to use that harness over there. 'Cause that's what that bag is for. Someone who falls in the water can't get out. You pull them
not
up in the
obese.
harness. Doesn't matter. You get tired, you get knocked out. I got to pull you up. And what if I'm an old man and I can't pull you up anymore?
Just throw the float and expect me to
I
go.
think that time may have already arrived. Come on, jump in the water.
So, well, this time we're using the noodle. And I'm pretty nervous for this one. But let's go. And, you know, I don't even need this noodle. I got a life jacket.
Well, just get the noodle all attached. Just jump
Okay,
in
whatever.
with the noodle.
3, 2, 1.
Go! Oh, man overboard!
Whoa! Dad, put the noodle in! I always try to speed to the back.
We're gonna lose this noodle, John. Oh, we still got the noodle. All right.
It's like a fish. Dad, it's a good thing we unclogged the
The drains?
Yeah,
Why?
that's why.
All right. Well, we're signing off here, John. Sign off.
So guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. So always remember to subscribe and like.
Peace out.
Thank you guys. Peace.
Peace out.